maghahatid sa akin na ganda-ganda, cute-cute. Mhm. Lag po ba, guys?
Oo, sad ako Mr. B, alis ka na.
Copy link tapos lagay mo sa Messenger.
Dito na. People. 1%. Hello everybody. Yun ang kailangan natin dito, yung katulad sa Everest. Hi everybody. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Yep. Papunta na po akong airport. I'm on the way to the airport. And yes po, yan yung labahan ko dyan sa likod. Kitang-kita po natin. All the dirty laundry. Bahin natin yung view. I'm leaving on a jet plane. I don't know when I'll be back again. August 5, I'll be back. Magkano? Magkano ba yan? 130. 130? Then pag po doon, 2 half change. Okay. Hello, everybody, especially to the members. Ray Ann, hello there. How are you? Yep, today is the day, guys. I'm leaving on a jet plane. Sa mga taga-California, I'll see you soon. First stop, Aruba. Do we got anybody from Aruba here? And syempre, may kasama ako na maghahatid sa akin na ganda-ganda, cute-cute. Mhm. Lag po ba, guys?
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.